Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Facebook ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you run lead generation ads on Facebook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to run lead generation ads with Facebook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if it's some sort of sale, Facebook is a great place to get leads, and you can run the traffic to your own website on your form, or Facebook has their own forms built out. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Facebook Ads Manager. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Ads Manager, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to run a lead generation ad on Facebook, here on the left side, you're going to click on this grid icon here on the left. It's called Campaigns. Okay, once you do that, here on the left, you're going to click on the green Create button. Once you do that, you're going to see the campaign objectives, and you want to click on this Leads. So as you can see with the leads, you can use your website or instant forms. So I'm going to go ahead and check here. All right, now you're going to click on Continue. Okay, once you've done that, go ahead and set up your campaign here on the front. However, to set up the lead form, it's going to be handled here in the ad set. So up here on the top left, click on Ads. Okay, once you're done, go ahead and scroll down to Conversion Location. So when you click this drop-down menu, you can go ahead and send it to any of these locations for collecting leads. So what this means up here is multiple. So if you choose this one, it's going to send traffic to your website, which should have a lead form, and they're going to send traffic to Facebook's instant forms. Now, if you just want it to go only to your website or only instant forms, you're going to scroll down and then choose from down here in the single section. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose instant forms. Okay, now you can go ahead and create the ad set. Just scroll down, choose the budgeting, scheduling, start date, end date, if there is one. You can choose your audience. But the main thing is, if you're going to be collecting leads, you need to fill out this section up here, the conversion location. After that, you can go over here to new leads and set up the ad. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a lead capture Facebook ad, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.